This is a brand new 2013 Acura RDX. This crossover has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, high-intensity headlights, hill start assist, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a rear-view camera, 18-inch alloy wheels, a power rear lift tailgate, the AcuraLink satellite communication system with real-time traffic and real-time weather, leather seats, a rear spoiler, a passenger side vanity mirror, advanced compatibility engineering body structure, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, and the navigation system will help you get from point A to point B on time. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.
Springfield Acura is located at 243 Route 22 East in Springfield. As we turn customers into lifetime friends, our goal is to continue to strive in exceeding your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.